Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Let's dive into how to format your paper in Chicago style using Google Docs. This guide will cover the essentials, from your title page to your bibliography, focusing on the common notes and bibliography system. First, let's set up the document basics. Chicago style requires 1-inch margins on all sides. Google Docs usually defaults to this, but you can double-check by going to File, then Page Setup. The standard font is a readable one, like Times New Roman, in 12-point size. Set this in your toolbar. Next, your entire paper, except for a few specific spots, should be double-spaced. Find the line spacing icon in the toolbar, which looks like an arrow pointing up and down next to some lines, and select Double. Now for the title page. Chicago doesn't have super strict rules here, but a standard format is to center your title about 1/3 of the way down the page. Don't make it bold or extra large. A few lines below the title, add your name, your course name, and the date, each on its own centered line. Your title page should not have a page number. Speaking of page numbers, they start on the first page of your actual text, which is the second page of your document. To do this, go to Insert, then Page Numbers, and choose the option that puts the number in the top right corner. Now, here's the important part. Double-click in the header area where the page number is. Check the box that says Different First Page. This will remove the number from your title page. Then, go to the header on your second page, select the page number, click on Options, and under Page Numbers, set it to start at 1. Now your text will begin on page 1. For the main body of your paper, make sure to indent the first line of every new paragraph. You can just use the Tab key for this. The core of Chicago's notes and bibliography system is the footnote. When you need to cite a source, place your cursor at the end of the sentence, after the punctuation. Go to Insert, then select Footnote. Google Docs will automatically add a small superscript number in your text and a corresponding number at the bottom of the page. This is where you'll type your full citation for the first time you mention a source. Footnotes themselves are single-spaced, but you should have a blank line between each footnote entry if you have more than one on a page. Finally, you need a bibliography page. This starts on a new page after your text ends. The easiest way to do this is to go to Insert, then Break, and select Page Break. At the top of this new page, center the word bibliography without any bolding or italics. Your bibliography entries should be listed in alphabetical order by the author's last name. They must also use a hanging indent. This means the first line of each citation is flush with the left margin, while the following lines are indented. To create a hanging indent, highlight your bibliography entries, go to Format, then Align and Indent, and choose Indentation options. Under Special Indent, select Hanging and it will automatically set it to 1/2 inch. And that's the core setup for a Chicago-style paper in Google Docs, from the margins to the final bibliography. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more writing and formatting tips. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.